Let's look at how to measure an acute angle with a protractor. So in this example we're told to measure the angle JKL. So you can see we've got two arms and a vertex. So that's the angle we're measuring. Always good to first have an idea of the size of the angle that you're going to measure. So we can estimate this. We know a right angle would be like that, and so this looks like maybe a little bit less than half of a right angle. So maybe about half of 90, a bit less than that, about 40 degrees. So with the protractor we need to put the crosshair on the vertex of the angle, and then the 0 line along here, that needs to go on one arm of the angle. So there we are. That's pretty exact. We need to get it as exact as we can to get as accurate a measurement as we can. So we can see that the second arm of the angle goes through the scale, and it's at this stage we need to be careful. The 0 line is here, and it's the inside numbers that start at 0 on the 0 line, and so we're going around this way up to between 30 and 40, and we can see that's at 35. If you're not sure which scale to use, you can always think back to your estimate. We estimated it was about 40 degrees, so that's got to be the inside scale rather than the outside scale. So 35 degrees. Let's have a look at one more example. So measure angle PQR. So first of all, let's estimate our angle. Looks a bit more than halfway to 90 degrees, certainly less than 90. So maybe about 50 or 60 degrees. So crosshair on the vertex and the 0 line exactly on the arm. So now we're ready to read off the scale. We thought it was maybe 50 or 60 degrees, and yeah, sure enough it's between 50 and 60, and so we can count how many along the scale. So that's about 53 degrees.